Hey guys, it's Miss Sam, and we are going to read my favorite book, Your Fantastic Elastic Brain. Stretch it, shape it. An average person's short term memory can hold 7 digits at a time. I think I can remember this number 2831908. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds. Ugh, it feels like a lot more. When does it rain brains? During a brainstorm? Ha ha ha. What does your brain really do? Does it fill the space between your ears? Hello in there. All I see is pink stuff. Well, yes, but your brain can do so much more. Your brain helps you think and remember. Good kitty. And name what you see and what you hear. It lets you move your body and feel both touch and emotions. Your brain does all the things that make you you. Likes red food. Favorite word is elbow. Ping pong champ. Knows global landmarks. Good at science. Enjoys reading pirate books. She's so unique. My favorite word is foot. So, what is your brain? Is it a muscle? No, the brain is an organ in your body. It is made up of cells and tissues. Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to Planet Oregon. The brain controls everything you do, everything you think, everything you feel, even everything you dream. Hey, I had that same dream. The brain has many parts that do all kinds of different jobs. Whoa, that pink stuff is busy. I think, therefore I am. That's deep. The cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of your brain. It helps you think and speak. The cerebellum. The cerebellum is a small part at the back of your brain that helps your muscles to coordinate your movements and your balance so that you can walk and ride a bike or play tag. I can walk and chew gum. The prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex, PFC for short, is the part of your brain behind your forehead. It lets you make plans and decisions. Mystery meat or secret soup? Decisions. The hippocampus. The hippo the hippocampus is at the center of your brain. It works like a file cabinet to help you store and find memories. Found it. Cheese. The amygdala is a tightly packed group of cells deeply within the center of your brain. So it's right here. That controls your emotions. So it tells whether you're excited, angry, embarrassed, frightened, sad, or happy. Neurons. Neurons are everywhere in your brain. They are tiny brain cells that make electrical signals to send messages to other cells in your body telling them what to do. Amygdala means almond. I can see how it got that name. Look, they're about the same size. When you were born, you were very little. Your brain was small and not so strong. As you get older and your body grows and gets stronger, as part of your, as part of your body, your brain grows and learns to do new things. And you can make your brain do even more. Your brain grows very fast during the first 10 years of your life, and this is the magic decade when you can help your brain grow faster and become more powerful. Just like lifting weights helps your muscles get stronger, learning new things strengthens your brain. You can give your brain a good workout by trying to learn many different things. Like elastic bands that stretch when you pull them, Even things that are hard at first or that you don't like to do get easier when you keep trying, or that you don't do very well. Nice kick. Think about the first time you played soccer. You probably couldn't kick the ball far or make many goals, but as you kept going to practices, you learned more about the rules of the game and followed your coach's directions. The muscles in your legs and your feet got stronger. Your movements were more coordinated, and you could run farther and faster. Learning more and practicing what you learned let you play better and have more fun. Practice really does make perfect, or at least much better. Even when you make a mistake while you're learning something new, abracadabra. Hmm, nothing yet. She's reading, trying to learn. Poof, there's a little rabbit. You are still training your brain. Shazam! Keep trying. Hocus pocus. You will remember that mistake and try something else until you get it right. Making mistakes is one of the best ways your brain learns and grows. If you aren't willing to risk being wrong, you won't take the chances that stretch your elastic brain. You can stretch the part of your brain that controls your feelings too. Let's jump together. If you are frightened about taking a risk, like learning to swim, finding the courage to put your face in the water stretches your amygdala. It will remind you that you can overcome your fear. So you will be braver the next time something scares you, like diving into the water. So he was scared at first, and he became brave enough to jump into the water. Learning something new causes the brain to grow more connections among the neurons. With more connections, the neurons can send and receive more messages. These connections help to stretch a part of the brain and make it more elastic so that it can make and hold more information and more ideas. How does the brain stretch and grow? Neuro means that the word it is part of has something to do with the brain. A sculptor molds, shapes, or carves things out of clay or wood or stone. So you shape your brain when you make it bigger by adding new things you know and can do. You are a neuro sculptor. How did you do that? Neurons, my feathered friend. Did you know that you are a neuro sculptor? When you learn something new, you are building on to what you have already learned. In the same way that the muscles in your body work together when you want to lift a heavy object or to kick a ball, the different parts of your brain work together when you're learning something new. The amygdala makes you want to learn to play the piano. The cerebrum helps you decide to practice. The cerebellum calls up the memory of watching and listening when your piano teacher showed you how to play a new piece of music, and then your cerebellum sends messages through neurons to help muscles in your wrists, hands, and fingers so that you can hit the right notes. The next time you play that piece of music, the parts of your brain and body will know how to work together and you will play the song more easily. The brain makes you you. Really is an amazing organ. It controls what you think, do, feel, and remember. Your brain is growing very fast during the first 10 years of your life. And now we know that you can help it grow. When you try hard to learn something new, connections grow from neurons and attach to other neurons. Then your brain can send messages faster, making parts of your brain bigger and stronger. Making mistakes really helps you learn because your brain keeps trying new things and stretching until you figure out the answer to your problem. You are shaping a more elastic brain when you learn new things that build on what you already know. The more different kinds of things you learn and think about, the more you can learn, know, and enjoy. The harder you will try without giving up, and the more that you will learn. You really can train your brain to be fit and stronger and to keep stretching and growing throughout your whole life. So, here is a little mission statement about the book. Here's a little bit about the author. And then the energy used by the brain is enough to light a 25-watt light bulb. It's lit. I must be thinking stuff. That's pretty cool. That's it. That's my favorite book for you guys.